Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures where creativity knows no bounds. I am Rosie, your guide on this artistic journey. As we venture through the serene landscape, notice the gentle curves of the path, the vibrant colors of the surrounding foliage, and the majestic mountains in the distance. Let's capture the essence of this breathtaking scenery with our art. Remember, the key to capturing the beauty of nature is to embrace its imperfections. Don't worry if your lines are not perfect, it's the imperfections that make it charming. I love how art can transport us to new places and evoke feelings of wonder and awe. What's your favorite landscape to draw or explore? Share with me in the comments below. Feel free to modify the script to fit your personal style and tone. As we walk along this winding path, notice the way the light filters through the trees, casting their bold shadow on the ground. Let's try to capture that sense of depth and dimension in our drawing. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Don't worry if your drawing is not perfect. It's the journey that matters, not the destination. And there we have it, our beautiful landscape path is complete. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this artistic adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more art tutorials and creative explorations. Let's get lost in the beauty of nature and find inspiration in its wonder. The world is full of beauty, and art is a way to capture it and make it our own. Creativity is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and have fun. The most beautiful things in life are often the ones that are imperfect and unique. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.